Hi.
So, welcome.
I feel welcome.
Oh,
Thank
good.
you.
That was for you specifically. So, the $1 million question. The question is, should I clean out the pantry and never buy groceries again? Be rich, right? Never step foot in the store. Or should we keep the pantry stocked for the fucking apocalypse and then we're good to go? That's the question. I never know. It's always like, fuck going to the store. I just need to eat fucking rice forever. You know what I mean? Do you ever look in the pantry and feel like, why do we pay money? We already own food. You ever feel that way?
Yeah.
But then, do you ever think, oh, if I eat all the shit and then shit goes down, I'm not going to have, like, rice to live on? What do you think the solution is? Give me some help. Give me some perspective.
I think there may be some kind of in-between.
In-between what?
In between the apocalypse.
And
as being a cheapskate.
Okay, what is it?
Going through the pantry.
Uh-huh.
Using stuff that we're going to use.
Okay.
Throw stuff out that we're not going to use.
I don't know. No, never. You can't make me part with some shit I don't care about. I have to use it. I have to find a way. I have to reinvent the wheel. You remember those I took those what was it? The red lentils and I turned them into some crackers. I was like, I'm never going to make soup. Like, fuck this soup. But I was like, I'm not throwing these out. I'm going to figure it out. And I made crackers. I made pizza crust.
Good job. It
Dude,
worked out.
I feel like an invisible pat on the back. So anything you want to throw out, show it to me and I'm going to dazzle you.
Okay.
Dude, $9 for this meal prep. If we did this once a month, like 1 week a month, we would be rich. In like a year, we would be so rich. And in like 10 years, we'd be like billionaires, trillionaires.
Let's do it.
Do you think there's anybody in the world who would prefer... See, okay, here's the thing. All this is like rice and beans and oatmeal. Cinnamon oatmeal. Anyway, it's so cheap, right? But the problem is sometimes it can be kind of bland or repetitive.
Runoff.
So, I know what you're saying. So I added all this oversalted, flavorful shit. This shit is so flavorful. On the scale of 1 to 10, how flavorful would you call the rice and or beans? Did you find both of them flavorful? Speak for yourself. Don't let me put words in your mouth.
The rice tastes like rice-a-roni.
Dude, it did. It was like, didn't it have like this, damn, there's a lot of MSG. Didn't it have that kind of feeling?
Kind of.
But it was all homemade.
Mm-hmm.
So it must have been homemade MSG.
It was good.
It was so good. Now, if, let's say you wanted to just go like the homeless man beans and rice and you don't want to do any flavor, dude, that shit would be so cheap. Right?
You have to have some flavor.
No, dude. What if we decided...
Just run off. I'll run off.
What if we decided from this point forth we're only doing boring meals? Just kidding. We're not going to do boring meals. Peace.